Hello, welcome to Lesson 5, the 5th lesson. Today what we're going to do is we're going to start by looking at your textbook answers. Then we're going to look at your test. We're going to do your test. Then we'll start to look at the first presentation, and hopefully we'll have a Zoom meeting at the end of the class. So, like I said, in the last 15 minutes of the class, we are going to have a Zoom meeting. Please make sure that you have completed the test before then. I will stop the video in the middle so that you can do that. Also, please have your Zoom equipment ready, including a camera and a microphone. Okay. So let's start by looking at the textbook answers. So on page 32, reading comprehension A, let's have a look and see. So the gist question was, what is the best alternative title for the passage? It is C, the Swamp Sparrow's traditional set list. A set list is the list of songs that a band or a musician usually plays if they do a concert. Your vocabulary question was, in paragraph B, the word elders means, and it is A, older swamp sparrows. They are older, they are your elders. Okay. I am your elder. Okay, detail question. In Lackland's study, how many swamp sparrows did not sing traditional songs? And the answer is 12. That's in paragraph E, if you want to check. The inference question. Hundreds of years ago, the songs of swamp sparrows were probably slightly different to today's songs. Okay, that's in paragraph E again. And finally, another inference question. Which of the following is an example of conformist bias? It is C. A new slang word becomes popular with a group of teenagers. I don't know what slang words you use now. Maybe cool, something like that. I'm old. Okay, let's look at reading comprehension part B. Oh, look, you can see this is Woodstock here. And this is happy Woodstock. This is sad Woodstock. And this is confused Snoopy. So, are the following statements true? Happy Woodstock. False, sad Woodstock, or is the information not given? Confused Snoopy. All right, let's have a look. Swamp sparrows learn to sing when they are young. It is true. It's happy Woodstock. Conformist bias was only recently noticed in animals. It's happy Woodstock. It's true. Very good. Number 3, the swamp sparrow research was carried out all over the United States. Was that true, false, or not given? Let's see. It's false. No, only in certain areas. So, number 4, each sparrow song consists of more than 10 notes or syllables. Is that true, false, or not given? It is... Huh? It's confused Snoopy. It's not given. And so the last one. Scientists are studying how habit loss might affect bird songs. Of course, it's true. Happy Woodstock. Okay, let's move on. Remember, you can pause and rewind the video as much as you want. Okay, scanning for details. A. This is on page 33 now. Read the questions below. For each question, decide what information you need to look for. then scan reading B quickly. Scan read B quickly to find the answers. I made a mistake. Okay, where do swamp sparrows live? So we're looking for where, which is a place. And the answer is North America's wetlands. Okay. Who are the two scientists mentioned in the passage? So who means we are looking for names. And they are Robert Lachlan, it's a Scottish name, Lachlan, and Andrew Farnsworth. Okay. When did the research team carry out the swamp sparrow study? The question is when, so we are looking for a date. Okay, it is numbers too, actually, and the date is 2008 to 2009. Okay, number 4. How many male swamp sparrows were recorded? So we're looking for how many. That is going to be a number, and it's 615. And the last one, why did the researchers use computer software? Why must be a reason, and the reason is to break each song up into syllables. Okay, moving on to same page 33, but part B. Scan the reading passage again and underline each piece of information below. Note the paragraph in which the information appears. So, examples of man-made barriers. That is in paragraph F. It is cities, roads, and plantations where people plant things. So the birds could fly into the buildings and hurt themselves. The main findings of the swamp sparrow study is E, which is that it allows birds to create traditions and so on and so forth. Number 3, an example of future research that might evolve from the study is found in paragraph G. Scientists may be able to identify blah, blah, blah. And number 4, how both children and swamp sparrows learn to communicate. That is in B, like humans, baby swamp sparrows, da 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 da. Okay, you can find that. Good, let's move on. Ooh, no, I don't want to update now. Thank you very much. Next slide. Okay, page 34. This is the vocabulary practice. So I will read this passage to you and fill in the answers. Okay? Here we go. I'm going to take a drink of water. Delicious water. Here we go. Parrots and human learn to... What? That can't be right. Parrots and human? One human? No. We need an S because it's plural. Parrots and humans learn to vocalize similarly. Both listen and then repeat back what they hear. Now, scientists have found another aspect of their behavior that is similar. Parrots do not speak a single standard language. They speak in regional dialects. A team from New Mexico State University has studied the local exchange among Amazon parrots living in Costa Rica. All the birds use a specific call to communicate. However, the call varies by region. When one bird hears the local dialect of another, it changes its own call to match the new tune. Only a few animals have... Ooh, I wonder which answer this could be. It's so difficult. It is evolve. But look. Have. So they've done it. So we need to add the D evolved to communicate in this way. Learning how to sound like others is very important to parrots, says researcher Timothy Wright. When you sound like another, that means you are a member of their group. Okay, don't worry about what you can hear in the background. It's leaving. All right, here we go. Vocabulary practice B. So we're looking at page 34 still. Match the two parts of each definition. If you create something, what happens? You make something new. If something is a combination, two or more things are joined together. Oh, there's the announcement. Wash your hands. Don't go outside. Make sure you wear your mask. Okay, can you hear that? If something is cultural, it relates to the ideas or customs of a particular society. She's still going. If something has an impact, it causes change. And if information is accurate, that means it is correct. Okay. Let's move on. This is word forms. This is the last one on page 34. So here we are completing this chart. We've got verb on the left and noun on the right. So if the noun is combination, what's the verb? Combine. So to combine things, to join things together. If we change that and make it into a noun, we turn it into combination. Okay, so shun on the end. How about create? What do you think? Create becomes, yes, creation. So we have removed the E, and we've actually changed the E to an A here, removed the E here to make creation. What about evolve? This is a tricky one. We change quite a lot here. We change evolve to evolution. Aha, now somebody is hoovering outside. What a lot of interruptions today. So, in this one, we can't say evolvtion. It's really strange. We can't say evolvtion. So we change the V to a U, evolution. Okay, and this process we call nominalization. Okay, nominalization is turning a verb into a noun. Nom is name, and nouns are names, aren't they? So, ization is to change. So, nominal is about names. Ization, so we change things into nouns, which are names for things. Okay. All right. Now, stop. Oh, no, there's another question. I forgot. Here we go. Number 2. Please complete the sentences using the correct forms of the words. So we have combine, combination, create, creation, evolve, and evolution. So the first one, A, to communicate. Bees use a, and we know it's going to be a noun because we see a or a. Bees use, I forgot the E. Use. I make a spelling mistake. To communicate, bees use should be an E. And then we know it's going to be a noun of body movements and chemical signals. So this word and tells us there's going to be two things happening. So what do you think? It must be a combination because noun has shun at the end. Combine is a verb. Combination is the noun. Remember? So bees use a combination of body movements and chemical signals. Okay, the development, this is B, the development of language has played an important role in human. So because we have an, we know that it's going to be a noun. They've got this article, an. So an important role in human, what do you think? How we change, how we develop. Development is change. So it's going to be evolve or evolution. Evolve is a verb. Evolution is a noun. So we know the answer is evolution. Okay. Number C, letter C. Like bees, ants can. So can tells us it will be a verb. Can do something. Ants can chemicals called pheromones. So what do? Do they evolve them? Maybe not in this case. Combine. You could combine chemicals, I suppose, but it doesn't tell us which two. More likely, create. So let's see. Yes, they can create chemicals called pheromones. And the last one, D. As a language, the meaning of certain words can change. So as is a process, as something happens. So we know it's a verb, and can also tells us it's a verb. As a language, the meaning of certain words can change. So like development, change, that suggests that they evolve. Okay, so evolve, but then we need the S because it is doing the thing. So as a language evolves, the meaning of certain words can change. Okay, now stop, because this is test time. I want you to, in a moment, pause the video, take the test within the class time. Do it now. You've got 30 minutes to take the test. And remember, it's worth 20 points. So pause the video now. Okay, now you've taken the test, we can move on, and we've got the exciting time of the year. It is time for your presentation. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about your presentation. The topic is extinct animals. We know what an animal is. What is an extinct animal? This is a megalodon. Look at the size of this megalodon. It's a shark. It was a shark. It is now extinct. That means it has disappeared. It's gone. Dead. Okay? Completely gone. So, we are left with the great white shark. This is the biggest shark we have now. Look at the size of the megalodon. Massive. 60 feet. Whoa. There's a little tiny human, only 6 feet. I'm 6'5", but never mind. So your presentation topic is going to be extinct animals. If you have a look at the e-syllabus, you'll see that there is a text in there and there's a worksheet related to the presentation. So I would like you to do this worksheet, read the text, complete the worksheet. This is your homework, as well as your usual worksheet. So for this class, for class 6, for class 7, you will still have a worksheet to complete. So that means you have 2 worksheets for next week. This is your attendance, remember. So you must complete both worksheets. Okay. Now, this is what we're going to do over the next 3 weeks. Today, this week, I'd like you to read the text, complete the worksheets. I'm going to give you a partner when we have a Zoom meeting, I think. I'd like you to contact your partner. Make sure you can use Zoom. Make sure you can contact each other with a line or email, okay, so that you can work on your presentation together. Next week, week 6, you're going to complete the worksheet and you're going to submit it before next week. You're going to complete the lesson 6 worksheet, which is your usual worksheet. with your extended reading and your other points. And then you'll work with your partner to complete your PowerPoint slides. Okay, so make sure that you can work with your partner. You do that yourselves. You don't need me for that. If you want to ask me a question, I am always available during your class. You can email me, you can Zoom me if you like. Okay, so you work with your partner to complete your PowerPoint slides and work with your partner to complete your script. Next week, in week 6, I will give you an example PowerPoint and an outline for your script. Okay, so you don't need to do anything before next week in terms of your PowerPoint slides or your script. I will give you help next week. The following week, which is week 7, you will complete the lesson 7 worksheet as usual, and then you'll be doing your presentations with me using Zoom. We haven't yet decided, as I record this, exactly how that will work, but I hope that by now you'll know. If you don't worry, you will know by week 7. Okay? All right. So those are your tasks. This is what you're going to do this week. So now I want to Zoom with you. I have sent you an URL or a link. It's in the e-syllabus. It might be in a message that I sent you in an email. If there is no link, if the link is dead or you can't access the link for any reason, email me right now. Do it now. Okay, there's my email address. And please turn on your camera and microphone. I want to see you. I want to hear you. I need to know that all the equipment works. I know some of you don't like to be seen or heard, but tough. You need to be to do the presentation. So I want to check your equipment works, and I want to see my lovely, lovely students. And I'm sure you want to see more of me, don't you? I'm sure you do. Okay. That's it for today. I will speak to you very shortly. Log on to Zoom and let's chat. Okay, bye for now.